So now that we have our media picked out and the pictures that we're going to use, let's go ahead and arrange them into a brand new file so we can layer them out and get them ready for the transformations that I'm going to put them through. So as we see here, I've got all my pictures up. Let's go ahead and create a new document. Let's see, by hitting Command N. This is 700 by 700. I'm going to take this up to 1280 by 1280 high def. Let's go ahead and put this into 300 just cause. There we go. This ought to be big enough now to hold all of our files. So let's start with Natalie. We'll bring her over and drop her in. There we go. She fits nicely. Take our apple core and bring it in and drop it in. That fits rather nicely as well. Our lion. Oops. Let's hit enter so we can get out of that. That's what it's telling me right now. Bring our lion in like so. And of course, let's bring our stem in like so as well. And of course, let's go ahead and bring the hand in just as a backup in case these files are not exactly what I want to use. So let's go ahead and close all these out. Close this one out here. And of course, our hand holding the apple like so. That looks actually rather well too. Alright, so let's stop here and we'll start modifying the photos in the next section.